Today I'm going to show you how to make this poster design in Canva. After uploading your images, drag the first one to the design, increase the size, duplicate and move it to the right side like this. Go to elements and type airplane graphics. Scroll down and choose this one. Rotate it 90 degrees and increase the size. Download and upload it. Add new page. Drag the second image and drag the image that we make. Edit image. Remove the background. Go to edit. Click restore. Increase the brush size and recover the right side. And here is the final results. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.